I'll give you 1 minute to just tell me what you can see, and then we'll continue. 2, 1. So what I can see on this chart is I saw break of market structure during London section. So I'm going to be writing it. Okay, BOX. This is a break of market structure. Okay, so then price came back to discounted price. So how do I know my discounted price? I'm gonna pick my fib, put your fib here, draw it down. So if you need measurement for your fib arrangement, I can provide you one. So price is around this yellow line, from this range. Let me clear it. From this line upward, we have our discounted price. So price was at that range, and which we can actually take trades here. But this particular candle was the news. This was the news right now, so I wasn't able to trade it, and perhaps it's not yet New York section. So what was my approach? My approach was I waited till after the news, and today was UK news. I can't really remember the news, but I waited after the news. Then I was looking for price to come back to this range, since this was also a break on market structure. I was like, okay, I think this will be valid. Another break of market structure, you write it just for writing sake. Okay, this was another break of market. Let me clean this so you can see what I'm trying to say. Let me clean all this too. I hope you get it. So what I did was we already know that as of now we're at New York section. So most of the time fundamentals will take their trade. So what I did was I waited for it. I picked my fib again. So simple. It's just like trading break of market structure, and then you just look for entry. So I pick it around this range. I don't use the wick, I use the body of the candle. Why? Because the volume of the candle is what is happening. Like the trade, is more or less about what the fundamentals are doing. So I prefer using the body of the candle. So price was at discounted price. Let me pick the discounted price from my yellow line down to this. There are some cases that price will go above around this range before selling, but well, that's not what we're looking for right now. So I actually saw the price around this range, so I knew that, oh, okay, this is the point I'm actually looking for. So now I'm looking for confirmation to take my trade, why my take profit will be here. So let's go. I label my yellow line because that's where I want price to go. I call it high probability order block, high probability block. Okay, so I saw price was there already. So I saw price there. So okay, so the next thing is I'll be looking for confirmation. So what was my confirmation next? So this was my confirmation. So there was a down move. Let me draw the shape so you can get your hands on it. This was a down move, up move, then down move. Notice that before the down move, there were fair value gap around this range. Don't look at the wicks. Just focus on the delivery of the price. So price feel this and push down, changing character. So you can call this, excuse me, you can call this you can call this change of character. So automatically means that they're buying, or sorry, they're selling. So market has changed character. So now I could get my entry around this side. Let me show you where I can get my entry right now. And get my entry around this side. Okay. So what will be my target? My target will be this body of this candle around this point. Okay. And call it my TP1. TP1. So that is all. That is how to trade. You don't stress it. Just wait for price to give you direction. Then you take your trade. It's very simple. Yeah. So if you find this video helpful, share this video. Understand how market works, how market structure works. It's very simple. This is how it works. This example of market structure. Real example of market structure is what happened today. And I hope you get it. I hope you understand it. You don't chase price. You wait for price to come to your area. You wait for price to react during the high probability time frame, which is New York section. So I, as a trader, wait for New York section because mostly the price reactions or price delivery is mostly during the New York section. So I don't chase price. I wait for price to show me what he has for me. Then I'll take my my chance. So it's very simple. So if you found this video, see you in my next video.